Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel, or welcome to this channel if you're new here. My name's Maggie. I post vegan lifestyle videos Monday through Friday. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and subscribe because I would love to have you here. And today I'm going to go ahead and film a what I eat day as an active vegan. I'm active, it's in quotes honestly, because I just started getting active after not going to the gym for 5 to 6 months. But it's all gravy. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a green smoothie. So I have all the ingredients behind me here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and whip it up. So let's do it. Cheers guys, my smoothie is complete. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to sip on this. Today I actually just watered our grass for the very first time because it really needed it. It's extremely dry here, so yeah. I'm excited that spring is right around the corner, though I wouldn't be surprised if we got dumped by snow this coming weekend. I also want to do one of my favorite hikes this weekend, or I want to do a 14er. But it just honestly depends, because if there continues to be snow or fresh snow, then I don't really want to risk it and go out in the mountains and be cold, because I just don't do really good with the cold weather. But I'm so excited that spring is... I keep saying this honestly every single video, that I'm so excited for the spring to come and it's right around the corner. But I swear, every single week that passes by, it's closer and that closer every single time. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, drink this, and catch up on some YouTube, and yeah. Alright, so for lunch today, I am going to make some sushi. So I have some nori here, and the things that I'm going to put inside is this avocado. It's just been sitting in the fridge, so I'm going to use it up. 1 beet, carrot, and tofu. Oh, and brown rice, of course. My beautiful sushi rolls are done for lunch. I'm gonna dig into these. I am honestly debating whether I want to go to the gym today, because I didn't go in the morning and I'm such a morning person. So I have a routine and I have to go about my routine, because if anything changes, then my routine is completely whack. And so I ended up not going to the gym in the morning, because I figured I would go later on in the afternoon to see how many people are there versus when I go in the morning, because I'm still feeling a little bit intimidated by the people in the weight section. So yeah, I'm debating whether I'm going to actually go to the gym or just go for a walk with my dogs, or just do both. But I'm really dreading going to the gym when it's not my time to go to the gym. So I mean, there's always tomorrow, right? So I'm just not going to beat myself up if I don't go to the gym today. Or maybe I'll even go for a little bit of run with my dogs, which should be honestly interesting, because I never ran with my dogs. But my dogs are kind of like, when I walk them both at the same time, one goes this way and one goes this way. So I could imagine myself going bloop, head right at the sidewalk and go. Anyways, I'm gonna go and dig into this beautiful dinner, and I have to clean up my kitchen because it was just clean and now it's a mess. I just came back from outside. I took my dogs for a walk. So indeed, I ended up going for a walk instead of the gym, and I'm completely content with my decision. I just made myself a smoothie bowl, and in here is dragon fruit, frozen banana, frozen strawberries, chia seeds, and then on top I put some almonds, pumpkin seeds, banana, and then my homemade Reese's. Funny story about that is last night I had a little sweet tooth craving because someone in the neighborhood made me really mad when I was walking my dogs. And I don't know if you guys really care to hear that story, but I was walking my dog and there was a woman in front of her house, and one of my dogs, Elvis, decides that's the perfect house he wants to crap on. So he did, and I always have my bags. So I just simply went to pick up the dog, but my dog already took the dookie, and the woman goes, "Do not let him sit blah 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 on my grass." I'm like, oh well, he already did. And so I'm just picking it up, and that's all I basically said. And then her husband storms out of the house, and then he's like, "How would you feel if I took a big..." And anyways, I'm just like, okay, I'm just gonna walk away now. So I don't like confrontation. But anyways, after that, I had a sweet tooth and I was upset and I wanted to devour everything in sight because I was like, why are people so ruthless? Like, okay, I'm not going to pull my dog when he already is in the process of taking a dookie. On top of it, it was clearly still on the city's property. Also, I pick up after my dogs, and hence you could see that in my little carry fanny pack, I had a bunch of bags sticking out. But anyways, yeah, I made these peanut butter cups last night. They're not the greatest, but they do look quite appetizing. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this delicious smoothie bowl now. And yeah, it was kind of hot out there. We've seen a bunch of duckies and geese and lots of people running. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go and eat this. So I thought it'd be a cute idea to put him in a little wife beater while I was doing laundry. And so hence, he is in a Dago tee. Elvis, are you excited about that? Probably not. We'll take it off. You want to take it off? Okay. Are you ready for dinner? I am back with dinner. I just showered and changed my clothes, hence my outfit change. This is not my designated pajamas or anything. I just basically throw on any shirt that I feel like it and call it pajamas. But anyways, for dinner today I made an Alfredo pasta with a quick Alfredo sauce. I'll make sure to leave the sauce recipe in the description. It is on point if you guys want to try it. And in my pasta I put some peas, black beans, and then broccoli on the side. If you guys watched my video from Monday, my 2 goals for the week is to incorporate more beans for lunch and dinner. Unfortunately, I completely forgot to incorporate some beans because I was going to eat some edamame soybeans in my sushi today, but that kind of, I don't know, completely forgot. So anyways, I'm making up for it now during dinner. I also reached 10,304 steps today, so I succeeded on that goal for today. But that's pretty much everything I ate today. If I eat a snack, I'll make sure to add it in. It's already 6:35, so who knows. The sun is setting so nicely right now. I love it when it comes through at this time. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below because I love to interact with you guys, say hi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys! Now time to dig in. So good. Ooh.